This is the iPad 2 touchscreen replacement guide. The first step is going to be using a heat gun or a hair dryer to heat the outside edges of the iPad. This will loosen the adhesive. Be sure to use quick movements from side to side. Don't stick in one place too long. Once the adhesive has been completely warmed, use a pry tool, in this case a metal pry tool, to gently lift up. Once you have a good grip, use a safe pry tool to run along the outside edges and release the adhesive. This is normally a slow process which may take a time or two to heat up. Once all four sides have been released, use a safe pry tool to gently lift it up and swing the touchscreen digitizer to the side. Be very careful of the flex ribbon cable being pointed out in the video, as you don't want to tear this. You can now remove the 4 small Phillips screws, as being pointed out in the video. You'll now need to remove the flex ribbon cable being connected. To do this, use a safe pry tool, or in this case a fingernail, to lift the clip and gently pull the flex cable out of the connector. You can now safely remove the LCD screen. You'll now need to release the 2 clips holding the touchscreen digitizer flex cable into place. You'll need to use a safe pry tool or similar to lift the back of the connector, releasing the cable. The one on the left is a little more difficult to release. Might be better off using something a little bit smaller than a large pry tool. Once both connectors are fully released, you can now gently pull the touchscreen digitizer's flex cable from the connector. You can now safely remove the touchscreen digitizer and replace it.